Hey y'all, what's good, what's poppin'? My name is Serene. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, then welcome. So today, as described in the title, this is going to be my maintenance day, you know, just getting myself together. So the first thing that I have is my Brazilian wax. That's at 12:45. It's 11:37 now. So I already took a shower, washed my face, brushed my teeth, add some cereal, but I'm probably gonna have another breakfast after that. But yeah, so first is my Brazilian wax. Then I'm going to come back here and I'm gonna wax my own armpits and my legs. And then I'm going to try to wax and tint my eyebrows, cause look at this. So I'll check back in after I get my Brazilian and then we'll move on from there. So now what I'm about to do is move on to waxing my armpits and then my legs. So this is the wax warmer that we're working with. This is the wax that I just ordered and it comes with the sticks. And then this is the pre-wax treatment. And then this is the after wax treatment. So I'm just gonna pour the wax beads into the little pot and then let that heat up until it's melted. Okay, so we finally got that heating up. We're gonna spray on these right here. Do what? So it's the next day. It's because waxing my legs, that took forever. Yeah, it took forever. But now we're finally onto my eyebrows. So I have the waxing pot, I guess. I have the just for men. I have the after wax, the before wax. I have the popsicle sticks. I have 2 of the cotton balls. I have tweezers. I have scissors. I have this dusty ass spoolie, and I have my eyebrow pencil. Okay, y'all, so that was basically everything that I did for like the past 2 days, you know, just getting myself together on a budget. But yeah, so let me know if you want any more videos like this. This was just like, you know, waxing and shaping and stuff today. But like I can do like my nails, do lashes, you know, any other maintenance stuff that I need. I can like show you guys what I do. But thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to continue to comment, like, subscribe, turn on your post notifications. You know, let me know what you're liking, what you're not liking, and yeah, I'll be back with more videos.